Today we want to actually launch our third Crafti-Kit. It's called the Cocoa Mint Lip Balm Kit. 10-gram jar. You get to make 24 of these. They come in two different kinds. One is an aluminium jar and one is a cactus print jar. They come in different designs. This is what you make inside. This is organic USDA approved beeswax. You can mix and match the color and the tint darkness that you want. We also have unrefined cocoa butter. We have Yin and Yang peppermint essential oil. We have the lip liquid to tint your lip. We also have the tools and the ingredients. If you have a kitchen and a stove, that's all you need actually. And it will come with full instructions. It will come with a video instruction as well. You can go to our craftivity.com and check out the link on it and the page, and we'll have all the ingredients and everything that we have inside. Thanks for watching everyone, and take care.